Four charged particles are projected perpendicularly into the magnetic field with equal velocity, which will have minimum frequency. Seconds. Four charged particles are projected perpendicularly into the magnetic field with equal velocity, which will have minimum frequency. Seconds. No, ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். Seconds. No, ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Answer is option C. Okay, Arvarshini has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 2 குள்ள மூவ் பண்ண போறோம். A circular coil carrying a certain current produces magnetic field at its center, BO at its center. The coil is now rewound so as to have 3 turns and same current is passed through. New magnetic field at the center is 40 seconds. Seconds. இன்னும் ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 15 seconds. Okay, answer is option B. 9B0. Tia has answered the fastest the question. Okay, next question. Okay, question number 3. A proton of energy 200 MeV enters the magnetic field of 5T. If direction of field is from south to north and motion upward, force acting on it will be 30 seconds. Seconds. Time போயிட்டே இருக்கு. 10 seconds. Answer is option B. Nida has answered the fastest. Okay, next question. Question number 4. And I'm prepared. Question number 4. Magnetic fields at 2 points on the axis of a circular coil at a distance of 0.05 m and 0.2 m from the center are in the ratio 8:1. The radius of the coil is 1.1, 0.15 or 0.2 meters. Seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 15 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். ஆப்ஷன் பி இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Arvashni has answered the fastest. Okay, next question. Okay, question number 5. A circular coil of 20 turns and radius 10 cm plays uniform magnetic field of 0.1 T normal to the plane of the coil. If current in coil is 5 ampere, then torque acting on the coil will be 31.4, 3.14, 0.314 or 0 Newton meter. Seconds. Seconds. No, 10 more seconds. Answer now. Pick an option. There's no negative mark. Option D, 0. The question Nidar answered the fastest. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 6 start on. A vertical circular coil blade is 0.1 meter having 10 turns carries steady current, but the plane of the coil is normal to the magnetic meridian and neutral point is observed at the center of the coil. If BH is equal to 0.314 to 10 power minus 4, the current of the coil is Twenty seconds left. Ten seconds. Time delay program. Answer is option A, 0.5. Okay, Ken has answered the fastest. Okay, next question. Question number 7. A current I flows in a circular coil of radius R. If the coil is placed in uniform magnetic field B and its plane parallel to the field, magnitude of the torque that acts on the coil is magnitude of torque. Answer from the answer is option C. In the question R, answer the fastest. Question number 8 start from. Two identical bar magnets are fixed with their centers at a distance d apart. A stationary charge Q is placed at P in between the gaps of two magnets at a distance D from the center O, as shown in the figure. The force on the charge Q is 30 seconds. Twenty seconds. Ten seconds are good. So, ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணலாம். Answer is option A. Next question. Nida, Dhanushka and Jam, the correct answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 9. The proton is energy 1 MeV. Describe the circular path containing a right angle uniform magnetic field of 6.28 10 power minus 4p. Mass of proton 1.7 10 power minus 27 kg. Cyclotron frequency of the proton is very nearly equal to dash. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Time here for the option D is the correct answer. Tia answered the fastest. Okay, next question. Question number 10 start from ready. A particle of mass n and charge q is placed at rest in a uniform electric field E and then released. The kinetic energy attained by the particle after moving a distance y is 30 seconds, okay. Seconds. Option C is the correct answer. Answer natural. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, the question Arvichini has answered the fastest. Okay, next question. Okay, question number 11. Two particles of equal charges after being accelerated through the same potential difference enter a uniform transverse magnetic field and describe circular path radius R1 and R2 respectively. The ratio of their masses is 1/2. 30 seconds of time. So, rectify more answer now. Answer is option B. Okay, Nida answered the fastest. Okay, next question. Question number 12. Question number 12. Two microphones are moving around a circle with the frequency 6.25 into 10 power 12 Hz, producing a magnetic field 6.28 Tesla at the center of the circle. Radius of the circle is. Radius of the circle taken. Thirty seconds. So ready for answer formula. Seconds. Seven seconds are required time to make order. Option B is your correct answer. Krishni has answered the process. Krishni Nidam, correct answer. Okay, question number 13 you work on. The deflection in a moving coil galvanometer is. Deflection in a moving coil galvanometer. Okay, ella answer பண்ணியாச்சு. Option B is your correct answer. And the question Danusha has answered the fastest. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 14. A microammeter has a resistance of 100 ohm and full scale range of 50 ohm, 50 micro. It can be used as a voltmeter and a high range ammeter. Pick the correct range and resistance combination. Time to for the B is the correct answer. Krishna Nida correct answer. Answer the fastest. Okay, next question, question number 15 start number. A straight section PQ of a circuit lies along the x-axis from x is equal to a by 2 to x is equal to a by 2 and carries a steady current I. Magnetic field of the section PQ at the distance x is equal to plus a will be proportional to a, proportional to 1 by a, proportional to a square or 0. No, ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணனும். 20 seconds தான் இருக்கு. What are the answer now? Option D is your answer, 0. Okay, the question here answer the fastest. Question number 16, start number. A vertical wire carrying the current in the upward direction is placed in horizontal magnetic field directed towards north. Why is the experience of force directed towards north, south, east, or west? The answer is option D. West is your answer. Arshini has answered the fastest. Okay, next question, Prabhala. Question number 17. Current I flows along the length of infinitely long straight thin walled pipe. Then the magnetic field is
Yeah.
40 seconds. Seconds. Okay. So option C is your correct answer. More correct answer. Nida has answered the fastest. Okay. Next question, Prabhala. Question number 18. A current of 1 ampere is passed through a straight wire length 2 meters. Magnetic field at a point in air at a distance of 3 meters from either end of the wire lying on the axis of the wire only. Thirty-five seconds left. Twenty seconds. No, what are the answers now? 15 seconds. Option D is your correct answer. Okay, Nidha, Tia has answered the fastest. Tia has answered the fastest. Okay, next question. Question number 19, start number. When a positively charged particle enters a uniform magnetic field with uniform velocity, its trajectory can be number 1, a straight line, 2, a circle, 3, a helix. Five seconds. Twenty-five seconds. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Any one of the 1, 2, or 3. So the question our question has answered the fastest. Moving on to the next question, question number 20. An electron is traveling along the x-axis. It encounters a magnetic field in the y-axis. Its subsequent motion will be seconds. Seconds. What are the answer? Okay, I'll answer. Option B, a circle in the XZ plane is your answer. And our question has answered the fastest. Okay. Next question, question number 21. A thin disk having radius r and charge q distributed uniformly over the disk is rotated n rotations per second about its axis. The magnetic field at the center of the disk is 40 seconds. Okay, I'll answer பண்ணியாச்சு. Option B is your answer. மூணு பேர் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. அதுல நிதா has answered the fastest. Okay, next question குள்ள போலாம். Question number 22. The figure shows the cross section of a long cylindrical conductor of radius A carrying a uniformly distributed current I. Field due to current at P is $35 seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணலாம். 20 seconds. Okay, எல்லாம் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியாச்சு. Option A is your answer. ஆர்கிருஷ்ணி மட்டும் தான் கரெக்டா ஆன்சர் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 23. The direction of magnetic lines of force close to a straight conductor carrying current will be along the length of the conductor, radially outward, circular, the plane perpendicular to the conductor, or helical. Seconds இருக்கு. ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். 20 seconds. Okay, எல்லாம் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியாச்சு. Option number 3 is your answer. Circular plane perpendicular to the conductor. The question Adarshini has answered the fastest. Okay, next question. Question number 24. Second last question for today. If a proton, neutron, and alpha particle on being accelerated by the same potential difference enters perpendicular to the magnetic field, then the ratio of their kinetic energies is 40 seconds. Okay, எல்லாம் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியாச்சு. Option number D is your correct answer. 1:2. Actually, Nida Matna correct answer பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And Nida answer the fastest. Nida direction almost the same point. Last question for today. Question number 25. Last question for today. The strength of the magnetic field at a point R near a long straight current carrying wire B, the field at a distance R by 2 will be. The question yaar fast answer பண்றாங்க அப்பதான் சொல்றாங்க ஆகர்ஷணி and Nida. Forty seconds left. In the answer பண்ணணும். Thirty seconds. Seconds left. 10 seconds are left. Okay, option number C is the correct answer. Now look at correct answer. Okay, the question right, but Nida answered the fastest and by 6 points. Nida Jeshtam. So Nida is the winner for today. Okay, thank you for participating in the live test. Thank you. No.